I was fed up with gold right now. Cause I'm fed up with gold. Like me and gold about to fight. For real, y'all. And this right here, hold on, let me get my camera right. Make me a little protein shake. But this right here, times like this with gold, this is when it's really testing your patience and testing your discipline. I'm so fed up with gold, like the way it's consolidating. And now, you know, I trade on a higher time frame, so I'm looking at my 4 hour, my daily chart, sometimes the weekly chart. But for the most part, I'm staying on the 4 hour, and my entries are on the 15 minutes. So the way gold is consolidating right now, it's just, and back in the day, this is where I used to blow a lot of accounts. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I used to blow so many accounts because I'm trying to trade the top, trying to sell when it gets to the top, and then I'm trying to buy when it gets to the bottom. I got it boxed up right now. So let me show y'all real quick. I got it boxed up, and this is on my 4 hour, if you can see it. So you see, it's just consolidating within that small box. It made that new higher high, and now we just stuck right there. So you really testing your patience, because now I'm waiting for a breakout, and I'm looking for it to come back down to have a big pullback, so we can create that higher low and fill that gap. Definitely imbalance there, and then head back up to make a new higher high, if that's what it's gonna do. They need to do something though. I know I ain't the only one. Like, man, look, that's why you gotta have multiple accounts. Like, why it's been doing all of this consolidation and all of that. I've really been on the option side, so I've been taking some plays on QQQ and SPY and Chevron and all these other stock options to take my mind off of gold. Oh, can y'all see me? Because gold is getting on my nerves at this point. Right, and then I caught a small play on gold. It was risky. Honestly, I shouldn't have did it, but I did it. And I made profit off of it, but it was outside of my trading plan. So I know that's something that I have to really crack down on this year too, is truly sticking to my trading plan. If it doesn't align with my trading plan, I don't need to be taking no trades. But I did take that one. Like I said, it was high risk, but I knew how much that I was going to lose if it was to hit my stop loss and, you know, all of that. It wasn't much. It was a very small risk trade, but still, it was in my trading plan. So it wasn't a win. It was a win, but it wasn't a win. But, you know, something that I will continuously work on. Nobody's perfect. You gonna slip up, you gonna make mistakes. It is what it is. But I'm gonna show y'all, let me see. Show y'all a play. Well, not a play, but I'm gonna show y'all my gold chart and how I'm looking at it, and then one of the stock options plays that I took. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to the chart, y'all. And don't forget, make sure you like, subscribe, and just follow my journey. I'm really just documenting my journey. This is for me to look back on and, you know, critique myself or whatever the case may be. But yeah, y'all be blessed. What's going on? So I just wanted to show y'all what I'm looking at on gold and why I'm trying to pretty much sit on my hands and stay away from the market right now. Because if you can see on gold, we had this break of structure right here. We broke this high. We created a new high. So let's go ahead and label this high. Boom. So we have a new high in the market. Now, I'm waiting for a retest, but it's just playing around in this area. See, I'm on the 4 hour. If you drop down to the 1 hour, I mean, it's just really consolidating within this box right here. So what I need to see, and I did try to take a couple plays in this area, and I got cooked. So that lets me know that I just need to go ahead, just continue to sit on my hands. And if it's not in my trading plan, do not take the trade. If it's not in my trading plan, don't take the trade, because I need to see. Let me show you on the 15 minutes. See, it's just consolidating inside this box. So I need to see a clear retest. I need to see it at least come down to retest this support, what used to be resistance. I need it to come retest, make it support, or either come down here. As long as we don't break this low, as long as we don't break this higher low, we're still bullish. So I'm gonna just sit on my hands, and if we can come and get a good retest, then I will get in gold. But until then, honestly, I think I'm gonna just stay away from gold, and I will just play on the option side of the stock options trading. And then on NASDAQ, like, same thing. It's just consolidating, and then we'll come and break above for a little bit and come right back under. So I'm really trying to see what it's about to do when we get come back to this trend line. If it does come back and we start to squeeze, which direction is it going to push towards? So I'm just sitting on my hands with that one. And I don't even trade NASDAQ. I just follow it because I used to trade it, and I may start back trading it if I see a good setup. But right now, it's bouncing off my trend line. We're getting some good bounces off the trend line, but there's no clear direction right now as to what it wants to do. So just like, see, it's just at another resistance. But I was talking about the stock options. So on QQQ this morning, and I'm glad I got out. That was like a 15-minute play that I did. So on the 4-hour, see, I have my high, and then I have this resistance here. Now this morning when market opened and when I got in, we was here, and I saw, okay, every time we came to this area, we got rejection. Shot down, shot down, shot down, shot down. So what is it going to do when it gets here? Either it's going to break above or it's going to shoot down. So with it rejecting that much, I just went ahead and put in a put here, and then I got out right here. And that was like, what, $130 on one candle, one 15-minute candle. So that's what I think I'm going to be more focused on right now, is these stock options, the day trade inside the stock options, and you can hold them as well. But yeah, so, and then like for Apple, this is a play that's coming up that I am looking at. So I had caught a play, I had caught a buy, a call, and then like here wrote it up. And now, if you know your patterns and stuff, when it comes to the charts, we have a head and shoulders pattern, and I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Boom. So this is your head, and that's your left shoulder. And this is your right shoulder. And on a head and shoulders pattern, it's a bearish pattern. So once you get that right shoulder, it's gonna tank. So now what I'm waiting on is for the market, and I have the alert set. I'm waiting to see if we come back. Since we broke structure here, we broke structure, clear as day on the 4-hour. Came down. Now I'm waiting to see if we're going to come back up, retest what was support, turn it to resistance, and then shoot back down, probably to this area. Well, of course, this will be your TP1, and then boom, your TP2 here. So that's what I'm looking at for Apple. Like I said, I have my alert set. If we come up here and we respect it, I'm getting in for an Apple put. And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to just update y'all and show y'all what I'm looking at in the market. If y'all have any questions, drop your charts too. Let me see what y'all looking at. Y'all might got some good plays that I can get in. Because right now, gold just not working for me. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all studying and stay active. Have a good day.